Have you ever pondered on the best way to grasp the art of coding? Coding, a skill that's rapidly becoming as essential as reading and writing, can appear complex and overwhelming at first glance. But, rest assured, it can be broken down into manageable steps that make the journey less daunting. Step 1 is choosing the right language. There's a vast ocean of coding languages out there, each with its own strengths, weaknesses, and applications. Python, for example, is a versatile language that's great for beginners due to its simplicity and readability. Java, on the other hand, is widely used in enterprise environments. It's crucial to research and pick a language that aligns with your goals and interests. Step 2 is all about getting the right resources. You might be tempted to dive headfirst into a sea of complex coding books, but it's recommended to start with interactive learning platforms. Websites like Codecademy and Khan Academy offer hands-on coding exercises that make learning fun and engaging. Step 3 is practice, practice, and more practice. Coding is a skill, and like any other skill, it needs to be honed over time. Try to spend at least an hour each day coding. Start with simple projects and gradually tackle more complex ones as your confidence grows. The fourth step is understanding and using algorithms. Algorithms are the bread and butter of coding. They're a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Understanding algorithms and knowing when to use them can make the difference between a good coder and a great one. The fifth and final step is joining a community. Coding can sometimes feel like a solitary activity, but it doesn't have to be. There are numerous online communities, forums, and groups where you can ask questions, share your work, and learn from others. It's a great way to keep motivated and stay on track. To summarize, the journey to becoming a proficient coder involves choosing the right language, gathering the right resources, practicing regularly, understanding the use of algorithms, and becoming part of a coding community. Remember, the path to coding proficiency isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. The key is consistency and a relentless curiosity to learn and grow. Happy coding! If you enjoyed this video from Diverse Group Solution, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.